Hi everyone, my name is Pooja and today I'll be introducing an important concept for trigonometric functions, periodicity. To begin, let's take a look at the spinning Ferris wheel. Notice how it completes a full rotation in 5 seconds. To look at the Ferris wheel mathematically, we can call the Ferris wheel function. And because this function continuously repeats every 5 seconds, we can call the Ferris wheel function a periodic function. What are the requirements for a function to be called periodic? The first, the function must have repeated cycles. Second, the function must appear at regular intervals. And third, the function must be reoccurring from time to time, otherwise known as reoccurring intermittently. Remember the Ferris wheel? We can note that the Ferris wheel satisfies these 3 requirements through its repeated cycles at a regular, recurring interval. Next, we'll take a look at a graph of a periodic function. Now, we've seen how periodicity relates to the Ferris wheel. Let's define it mathematically. A periodic function is one in which there is a positive number p being the period of the function, such that f of x plus p equals f of x. Look at the graph. Another way to define periodicity is the distance between 2 consecutive maximum points or 2 consecutive minimum points. In the graph, we see that the max point repeats every 4 units, meaning every 4 steps the function returns to that same maximum value, similarly to how the Ferris wheel returns to the same spot when it completes a full rotation. Because of this, the p-value for this function is any number that is a factor of 4. Essentially, for the function on the screen, if you start at the origin, it takes 4 units to get back to where you started. This means the fundamental period is 4. The fundamental period is defined as the smallest period or smallest p-value of a periodic function. In the next lesson, we will dive into how periodicity relates to the 3 main trigonometric functions: sine, cosine, and tangent, as seen on the graph to the right. Thank you!